Join Moana and Maui on a thrilling adventure to save their island from an ancient curse. Will they restore the balance of nature and save their village? Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting stories. The sun shimmered over the horizon as Moana noticed something alarming. Part of the ocean was drying up. Waves that once danced on the shore had vanished, leaving barren sand where water should be. Fear gripped her heart. The village's survival depended on the ocean. She had to act fast. Moana approached the village elder, who revealed an ancient legend. A curse had once threatened their waters, but it was sealed long ago. Now, the curse seemed to be awakening. Determined to save her home, Moana knew there was only one person who could help her on such a perilous journey: Maui. With her heart set on finding Maui, Moana set sail. The ocean, despite its disappearing portions, still guided her, reflecting her deep connection. When she found Maui lounging on an island, he was skeptical. A drying ocean? That's impossible, he scoffed. But seeing Moana's concern, he reluctantly agreed to help. The journey wasn't easy. They sailed through stormy waters, avoiding dangerous whirlpools and sea creatures. Along the way, Maui explained that balance in nature was delicate, and if something was truly drying the ocean, it could upset the entire world. Moana shuddered at the thought. Days passed before they reached the source of the problem, a hidden island that had emerged from the depths of the sea. As they approached, the air grew heavy, and the waters receded even further. Moana could feel the ocean's distress, like a heartbeat slowing with each passing moment. On the island, they discovered an ancient temple surrounded by statues of forgotten gods. Moana and Maui cautiously entered, the walls whispering the curse's history. Long ago, a powerful entity had been sealed here to prevent it from draining the ocean's life force. The seal was now broken. As they ventured deeper, a figure emerged from the shadows, the cursed spirit of the tide. It had been trapped for centuries, angry and vengeful. "You dare disturb my rest," it hissed, waves of dark energy swirling around it. Moana and Maui stood their ground, but they knew time was running out. "The ocean is more than water," Moana shouted. "It's life, connection, and balance." But the spirit wasn't interested in harmony. It wanted control, and it was willing to drain the ocean completely to reclaim its lost power. Moana's bond with the ocean would be their only hope. Maui fought fiercely with his magical fishhook, but the spirit's power was immense. As the battle raged on, Moana realized brute strength wasn't the answer. She had to connect with the ocean on a deeper level. She had to remind it of its own strength, its importance in maintaining balance. Moana knelt at the water's edge, whispering to the ocean, "I know you're hurting, but we can stop this together." The ocean responded, swirling around her in brilliant blue light. The waves grew stronger, pushing back against the curse. Moana's bond was rekindling the ocean's life force. The cursed spirit grew weaker as the ocean's strength returned. "This world needs balance," Moana declared, standing tall. With a final surge of power, the ocean engulfed the spirit, sealing it back within the ancient temple. The curse was broken, and the water began to flow once again. Exhausted but victorious, Moana and Maui watched as the ocean restored itself. The once dry areas now shimmered with life. "You did it," Maui said, grinning, clearly impressed. Moana smiled, knowing it was not just her. It was the ocean, the island, and their connection to nature that had saved them all. As they sailed back home, Moana reflected on the journey. She had learned that balance wasn't something you could force. It had to be nurtured, respected. Nature was powerful, but it needed care and understanding. She felt a deep sense of peace as they neared her village. The villagers cheered upon their return, celebrating Moana and Maui's bravery. The ocean sparkled once again, its waters flowing freely. But Moana knew this was more than just a victory over a curse. It was a reminder of the delicate relationship between humans and nature. Wow, what a journey! Moana showed us all the power of balance and connection. If you love this adventure, Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share with your friends for more amazing stories. Until next time, keep believing in the power of nature.